Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch is updated and protected by Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode. Once ready, open Wallet and tap the plus sign to add a card or pass. You'll scan the card or type numbers, then accept your bank's terms. After you submit, the bank verifies the card. Stay on the screen and follow any SMS, email, or app prompts until verification completes. Once the bank verifies the card, you'll configure how Wallet works for payments and transit. Set a default card by holding and dragging it to the front, then enable Express Transit for quick rides without authentication. Make sure billing address and contact details match the card issuer's records. Mismatch can block verification. If a bank needs extra approval, open your bank's app or messages to complete two-factor steps. Finally, test a small authorizing charge so the card shows active in Wallet. To complete a purchase in person, double-click the side button or home for older devices, authenticate with Face or Touch ID, then hold your iPhone near the contactless reader until you see Done. For apps and websites, choose Apple Pay at checkout and confirm with biometric or passcode. If something fails, remove the card and re-add it, restart your device, and verify there are no security holds in the bank app. Contacting
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.